Hello, welcome to the short tutorials of GEOOWARENESS. In this video, we will learn how to set up your static page. When you start a website with WordPress, the automatic installations are those of a blog page. So when you go to visit your site, let's see this. This is what you will see. You will see Hello World, which is your first blog post. If you don't have any, then that's what you get. If you want your site to be a static website, traditional website, this is what you have to do. You have to go to settings and then reading, and you see your home page displays your latest post. Well, you want to change that to a static page. So you click here, then you have to select the page that you want to be seen. So in this case, for home, we will select home page, home, and then never forget to save your changes. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give it a like, subscribe, share. And if you want to learn how to make your menu, look our next video, how to make your menu.